Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Darling, can't you see what losing you has done to me? I'm not the same man I used to be. Hey, so won't you have a heart? Don't leave me standing in the dark. I'm lost without you, can't find my way. Hey, come back to me, and I promise I'll be all the tenderness you need your whole life through. 'Cause this time I'll be sweeter, and our love will run deeper, and I won't mess around, no. I won't let you down. Have faith in me. Yeah. I man did promise the them say I'm gonna sing when it reach 20,000. Me think about Christmas. Think I will have about Christmas when the item forgot. And I did the Christmas gift and them thing there. You know see. So it reached between last night and today. So everyone did have to jump up and say something. You know see it. So greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I first. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. You see, I want to say welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make help with the platform. You see, and in saying so, I want to give thanks to everybody who subscribe and support the thing this far and make it reach where it there. To be honest, never did I expect it. Not tell a lie, I'll be honest. Never did I expect it. Because you don't know. It's a choice tone, subject them, and the the way we observe them and think. We know it's not a very popular way of to get readily accepted and things like that. But yeah, so you see, and even though not from a big man bridging them, big up yourself, Janerville, Janerves. Anyway, Janerves. Me no mean in a coward way, I mean in a struggle way. You know see, yes I you have the nerves of Ja. Something like that there. You know see, Mark Springer, Jaboni the badass, massive love and respect. You know see, Trish Newman, Poochie Lai, Lisa Smith, lovely Lisa Smith. Big up yourself. You know see it. Sig Sarah, Katie and Graham, my family. Enough love and respect. enough love and respect. You know see it. Big up the youth them. Don't know. Tell them uncle love them or uncle a root for them to come, dominate and success. Yes I. You know see it. I want to big up everybody who there with me from days that. Micah Richards. Big up yourself, you. Very articulate and, far-sighted. You know see it? Yeah. Yes I. Serena Atkins. That lady will always give her the strength, give her a strength. See it, a serious confidence boost and thing like that. I man love it and I man respect and see it. See it. Yeah. So recently we have made some reasoning regarding we're concerned with Queen Ifrica. And enough people look on it like so well then we are born our out. if you get that impression there, don't be narcissistic. The end of the day, you have to observe the attitude what we get from the whole thing. You know, see, Muma, I create a thing and somehow we're there where it not mean for, you know, because we think everything will come. You see it done, we look forward to it and thing. You know, see, so we react. You know, see, anyway, we'll come back and we react. Just like Mama react, we react. Well, some people make it look like, say, we fake. No, first thing I want to tell a man, before you chat, just explain your perfection. You know, see, you don't have to bring no receipt. Just declare your perfection. You know, see, you don't want no receipt neither. Just declare your perfection. See, and you know, by the so we know now the standard by which you judge I and I. You know, see, because no one alone perfect, you know. And we know that from day that. You know, see, you see how that world is set up? It hard to stay up and live up to certain people's expectation. You know, see, there's a level of Rastafari approach the thing from a rebellious standpoint from day one. You know, see, over time, we never get no chance or some guy a chat and a push themselves in a Rasta conversation. Rasta is always being oppressed right through the years. A blessings, a spirituality make a triumph to the point of our existence this day. We're not getting an endorsement and an embracement where some boy running a chat. We come from all sort of group. Remember all sort of group where get them artificial and them engineered success and things like that. Rasta don't get none of that. Rasta is just generic. Rasta is just plain and simple, organic. You know, see? You know, see? So, you see, even when you expect administratively, when you demand certain administrative progress or prospects from Rastafari, leave that to I and I internally. You know, see, because out there with governmental, societal attitude and approach towards our resistance towards I and still I blame I for not having certain things and certain infrastructural things in place. You know, see, it's like, you know, blame the victim blatantly and brutally in our face, like, so well, then we are that. We don't know what going on. And we point out the hypocrisy from there that. We won't come from them attitude and argument there. I come make demands. You know, demand that in what way some of function in coordination with the movements of Rastafari. In a what way? How and in a what way Rastafari I disappoint someone today. No. Don't feel like someone will call upon the ones and ones them. Step forward and meet them calling. But they act like so well then. Eruption we want cause or a cast we want cast out no one. You know, you we condemn none of two another and a cast out not one another boy, you know. You know, see, man step forward and talk to people because man is a man of authority from day that. Authority where enough of them have respect on the ground and they're on the ground. You know, see it, we know the function of things there. You know, see it, and we know so no matter how much money you have, you can't step on the ground like a man with step on the ground and step on the ground. We know that. You know, see it, so we're ready for confront certain things and make some man know our position. We have the authority to do it. And you know, here we are, this no man and you know, condemn no man. I try cast out no man and no woman from amongst us. We have tried strengthen our thing. You know, see, I saw the thing fragmented and is apart, and we know that. You know, see, and even before some really start, I have an I observation, not for make phone argument. Where else? What other forum or platform you use or go up and I say Rastafari non-functional. Them girl there. You know what I say? A bill we need for build one another. Look back. Alright. When we are going to burn out and done out Queen Africa, like say we are idiot or we are vultures, just a wait pan somebody we thirsty in the desert for finally die of dehydration, fly down pan the cops. When we are going to burn out the Queen like that now, yeah? What kind of attitude or approach you have for the black woman them when they dance them? I don't ask out I do bash, we dance up and I don't want to do the what I have to say about them woman there. What more brutal and bloody than the gunman them out there when they make them observation and their own critical criticism regarding people because they don't have the power of the typewriter in front of you can just boom and type anything and come back in a seclusion. It's unfair, Rasta. This is not what the project is about. The project is about to rebuild self-esteem and self-confidence. We know that the best among us not have none. Where yours there? Where you're a fake one there? Where you come with your heights of criticism and you know see further fragment how it benefit you for further fragment if you go in a football team. A new coach going in a football team, him try to rebuild it first before him kick out nobody and condemn nobody and him try him employ theme strategy amongst them before him try kick out nobody, before him try change the team. And if when him change team, him not condemn a footballer say him is no longer a footballer. That means him is no longer a human being, Rasta. Him still exists. Him still having potential and quality. We just probably couldn't work together. You know see it? Why in our thing now? Yeah? We are going to look upon a man like say, well then, you know, I eat that for him. How much I want have get do certain condemning moves and attitude and thing like that. And still there. I criticize another like that. But we criticize, it's not even about the criticism. You see, because we accept that. It teaches us and make us look in ourselves and acknowledge certain way of hardness and things like that. And the condemnation we are talking about. You see, you don't pick never wrong yet. You don't pick the wrong 1 time or 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Right through them lifetime. All them come back and don't apologize and you're picking that or your loved one that again. See them with family, see them with friends. You see, you have to start, try, exhibit them same full standing amongst one another. As a community, Rasta, we are under assault. We don't feel like say we there just a true blame. Like we don't realize what going on. We are trying to make we are war acts. If nobody else don't realize it, that concerning to we. But it's not a case like so well then. It's a crime or a blame or a you know. And that's how the thing set Rasta. You know, see, we don't really appreciate love that. Even the youth, them, even the gunman, them, the way up on the street are going with them thing. If we come out and we can't condemn them. We can't write them off and condemn them. At them are the future, as a matter of fact. You know, see, at them are the future. And we can't dispute that. You know, see, so I just saw at the nature of the channel. We don't play for call out certain folly. You see, but as the good old scripture says, only a fool lean upon him folly. You know, see, so the whole away we embrace, we look at folly and then we can think they're going to get away with it. When they point out Rasta, we have to just man up, woman up, farm up. You know, see, and step outside ourselves and know so we have a bigger function where we are a part of, which is Rastafari. We're bigger than this universe, bigger than all of us. You know, see, so it kind of not surprising, you know, but amusing more to hear some people in the comment that ask what Rastafari stand for these days. Who is Rastafari? We know who Uno is. We know Uno still a fight a battle where, like Uno delusional. You know see it? Uno delusional. Rastafari is a full force, vibrant army. We just need to get collective. You know, see it? What for the Lego this try this and do it. Come watch, design something. When? Because all I do is just integrated in a what you call it, abuse. You know, see it? Some Stockholm syndrome type thing. You know, see it? And I ain't afraid to point it out and call it out. And I is the resistance. You know, see it, Rasta? Yeah. So when all the powers that be that exist, all I just treat them existential and internal, come up on I and I for years, for decades. You know, see it? We still there as a recognized force. You know, an opposing force. Still, the function is the same. You know, see it? Resourcefully. We might not be that potent. But again, you can't deny us you can't deny it with potential either. You know, see it? So, please stop insulting yourself when you come in and ask, what's Rastafari about these days? I come giving instruction how Rastafari fi operate. Or what Rasta fi expect from Rasta. How Ball-tail fi come do that. You can't do that. No, Ball-tail in this case don't necessarily mean say your head ball and you a lax spine. It literally means say you don't have nothing to do with Rasta. You bounce from Protestant to Catholic to this or that, and then you come and criticize Rasta. Don't not do that. Looking at yourself. We give thanks. We give thanks, Rastafari, and we there a full joy, the 20,000 milestone overcross, and we sing, so you can't say, I'm fulfill like promise. And I made a promise that